Class 6th, Book Honeysuckle, Chapter number 1, Questions and Answers, Part 3. Question number 16. Who did Patrick's homework? Why and how? Answer. Patrick had no interest in studies. He hated doing homework. He was lucky to get a helper. It was an elf. He had saved the elf from a cat, and the elf promised to do all Patrick's homework for 35 days. But the poor elf was blank in English and maths. He sought Patrick's help and guidance. Patrick brought books from the library and worked hard to solve all sums. He got good marks. Answer number 16, remaining answer part. Actually, it was Patrick himself who did all his homework. Question number 17. How did Patrick get supernatural help? Was the elf intelligent enough to answer questions in all subjects? Answer. One day Patrick found his cat playing with a doll. He rescued the tiny doll, who is fake as an elf. He promised to grant his savior one wish. Patrick told him to do all his homework for 35 days. The elf had to keep his word. Answer number 17, remaining part. But he was quite ignorant of language and maths and even other subjects. He called out to Patrick to come and guide him. Question number 18. Give the characteristic features of the elf which helped Patrick. Answer. Patrick saved a little doll from his cat. That doll was, in fact, a very small sized man, an elf. He was timid. He felt grateful to his savior. In return, he promised to grant Patrick a wish. He could not say no to any of Patrick's requests. He agreed to do Patrick's homework, but he was illiterate. Answer number 18, remaining part. He sought Patrick's guidance at every step.